I'll show you how you can make a Fanbasis invoice. Now, on Fanbasis, there is no direct way to make an invoice, but of course, there are workarounds towards that. Now, on Fanbasis, first off, you want to go ahead and head to the Zapier page here. On the Zapier page here, now you will see this page right here. Now, it will ask what would you like to automate. Now, we're going to type something out here. Now, let's say when a customer buys a product, let's say, we will automatically or just automatically send an invoice to said customer. Let's say something like that. Now on here, let's just tap on this button to generate. Now what it will do is that it will create us a custom workflow so that when a customer buys a product, it will automatically send an invoice to that customer. So we won't need to worry about this kind of things anymore. So we can automatically send any invoices as fast as that. Once it has generated, you can use this black button here to use this workflow and to just be done with it because it will be automated by Zapier.